When you search for budget fitness trackers, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same promises of health tracking. But if you want to find the one that actually delivers on its claims without breaking the bank, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, More Fitness Tracker. First up is the More Fitness Tracker. Priced at just $25.99, it immediately caught my attention thanks to its vibrant 1.1-inch AMOLED color screen and impressive features for the price. If you want a solid all-day health monitor without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. The More Tracker offers 24/7 heart rate, blood pressure, and even sleep tracking. This is crucial if you're trying to get a handle on your overall health. The sleep tracking feature analyzes your sleep quality and provides a nightly score, helping you make adjustments to improve your rest. Plus, with 25 sports modes, you can monitor your activity, whether you're running, dancing, or doing yoga. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. It helps you stay motivated and reach your fitness goals without the confusion of complicated tech. Now, some people complained about the limited battery life, which lasts about 7 days of regular use. Here's the thing though, for a tracker at this price point, it's a minor trade-off for the features you get. If you're someone who needs to charge frequently, maybe this isn't your best fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward and affordable way to keep tabs on your health. Skip this one if you want advanced GPS features or a tracker you can wear for weeks without charging. For $25.99, it's a great deal for the features. Product number 2, More Pro Health Fitness Tracker. Next up is the More Pro Health Fitness Tracker, priced at $39.98. It stands out with its 120+ sport modes and an impressive array of health monitoring features. If you want a tracker that feels like a personal health coach, this is definitely worth considering. This tracker goes beyond just counting steps. With real-time blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring, you get a comprehensive view of your health around the clock. The sleep tracking feature focuses on all sleep stages, helping you understand your patterns and improve them over time. Plus, it's compatible with both Android and iOS, ensuring you can sync your data easily. This is crucial for staying organized and motivated. One downside, some reviews mentioned that it can be a bit bulky due to its design. But I'll be real with you. If you're serious about your fitness and don't mind a little extra weight, it's a worthwhile trade-off for the features and data it provides. This is perfect for you if you're into serious tracking and want to explore various sports. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and minimalistic. For the price, it offers great value for serious fitness enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want smart features without the bulk. Product number 3, Lotomiki Smartwatch. Now, let's talk about the Lotomiki Smartwatch, which retails for $29.99. I was drawn in by its sleek design and built-in Alexa. If you want a stylish fitness tracker that doubles as a smartwatch, this one's worth a look. This watch offers all-day health monitoring, including heart rate and stress levels, which is super important if you're juggling a busy lifestyle. The 110+ sport modes allow you to customize your fitness journey, and the IP68 waterproof rating means you can take it swimming without worry. Plus, being able to make calls directly from the watch adds a layer of convenience that's hard to beat. However, some users found the initial setup a bit confusing, especially for syncing with their phones. Here's the thing, once you get past that hurdle, the benefits far outweigh the initial frustration. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want something that looks good while tracking your fitness. Skip this one if you're looking for a no-frills tracker, just to count steps. For under $30, it's a fantastic combination of style and functionality. Now, if the Lotomiki's design caught your eye, wait until you hear about the next product that's even more budget-friendly. Product number 4, Blackview Smartwatch. The Blackview Smartwatch is next on our list at an incredible price of just $19.16. This is one of the most affordable options, and it's packed with features. If you're looking for an entry-level fitness tracker that doesn't skimp on functionality, definitely consider this. This watch allows you to answer and make calls, which is a feature not often found in budget trackers. It also tracks your heart rate and sleep quality, giving you a solid overview of your health.
With over 100 sports modes, it's designed for versatility, and the 2 interchangeable straps let you switch up your style. Now, some users reported issues with connectivity, particularly when trying to sync with their phone. But honestly, for the price, it's a small setback that can often be resolved with a little patience. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich watch without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need a tracker with top-notch accuracy or advanced GPS. For under $20, it's a steal for the features it offers. Moving on, we've got one more option to check out that might suit your needs even better.
Product number 5, Bacor Fitness Tracker, priced at $28.99. This one really impressed me with its user-friendly app and AMOLED touchscreen. If you want a stylish and functional tracker that's easy to use, give this one a shot. With features like all-day heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring, it's great for anyone serious about health. It also tracks 25 different sports modes, allowing you to tailor your workouts precisely. The IP68 water resistance means you can wear it confidently in the rain or while exercising without fear of damage. However, some users have mentioned that the app can be glitchy at times, which can be frustrating. But here's why I think it's still worth considering. The core features work well, and for many users, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable fitness tracker that's simple to navigate. Skip this one if you want advanced features that come with higher-end models. For $28.99, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their fitness journey.
To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic budget fitness trackers today. The More offers solid health monitoring at a low price, while the More Pro steps it up with more sports modes. The Lotomike combines style and smart features, and the Blackview is unbeatable for the price. Finally, the Bacor gives you a user-friendly experience without breaking the bank. No matter which one you choose, you're making a smart investment in your health.